So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code to get your sign-up bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000, don't worry. It's not too late. If you signed up with no referral code, you can now retroactively apply a referral code to your account. I'm gonna leave all the instructions down below, and you could literally be getting $1,000 guaranteed if you use the instructions down below. It takes like 30 seconds. It's 7 steps. You can do it right in your Uber driver app. There's a way to do it now. It's super simple. So yeah, if you forgot to use a referral code, don't worry, we got you. Just use the instructions down below, and now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. The coffee sponsor of today's video is Earth Cafe. Just kidding. I'm not actually sponsored by them or any other coffee company for that matter, but that would be great. So in today's video, we're talking about a brand new rideshare company that is launching, and they're paying their drivers as employees. And why is this important? Well, Uber and Lyft are shutting down because they don't want to pay drivers as employees. So this leaves big opportunities for both drivers and for passengers and for new companies to start up to kind of attack that space, because let's face it, hundreds of thousands of drivers who or over 1 million drivers if they want to start getting benefits and stuff, might be looking for new opportunities. By the way, if you're already a driver, but you do want benefits and protections and income protection, Cover is a great alternative to fill in those gaps. If you use my link down below, you can try it out for 30 days. I know somebody who actually got $300 from their sick leave and they got it within like 12 hours. They filed it at like 9 p.m. and then they got it the next morning at like 8 a.m. That was with Cover, and he had just signed up. So if you need money, it might be a good opportunity for you. Link in description. Anyways, let's take a look at this. I actually saw an ad for this. So this isn't an ad, by the way, not sponsored at all. I might have reached out to them, but I think I reached out to them. I haven't heard anything back, so I'm just giving you guys my 2 cents about it. They're not paying me, don't worry. I'm not getting paid for this video. So I took a screenshot of this earlier actually. This company is called Wave Rideshare. California drivers, we pay better and you get benefits. Drive for Wave Rideshare and delivery. That's pretty awesome, right? I saw this ad and I was like, hold up a minute. Let's check this out. So let's go into the App Store and see what they're all about. It's actually a decent name, like when you wave down a taxi. So they used to be Scoop M, the safest rideshare. Did you guys see how that name just changed? 17 ratings, no creepy drivers. What are you trying to say about us Uber drivers? Mandatory FBI screens, driver interviews. Dang, I'm gonna get screened by the FBI if I wanna drive for them? Okay, maybe I shouldn't apply for these guys. It looks pretty normal, $7, whatever. 18 bucks for XL. Sounds about right. After I heard Uber and Lyft algorithms charge more. Let's take a look at these guys. Were these the ones I sent them an email? Oh yeah, I did email them. I go, hey, my name is Dylan, I run the Rideshare Hub on YouTube. We have over 40,000 subscribers and mostly all gig workers. I was wondering if you'd like to do a quick interview for my channel to spread the word about your wave. Oh, I meant to say wave, not your wave. It looks like a great opportunity, especially as I see you are in Los Angeles with the potential shutdown of Uber and Lyft. Let me know if you'd be interested. I haven't heard back, but I will keep you guys updated if I do. Let's take a look at their website though. Wave Rideshare. I don't know what Scoop M was before. Wave Car. Wave Rideshare. Ride Wave. Maybe it shows it in the App Store. What their website is. Do you guys know about this? Developer website, is that it? Waveride.co. The website may be impersonating Waveride.co to steal your information. You should close this page. That's not a good sign. I can visit the website. All right, I'm taking the risk for you guys so you guys don't have to. I'm going to their website. No, that's the, oh yeah, scoopme.com. Scoopme? Was that what they were called before? Here we go, Wave Rideshare, scoopme.com. Scoop me up. That's a weird name for a taxi company or rideshare company. I'm glad they changed that. The safer, more secure rideshare app. A safer ride. Your life matters. No creepy drivers, mandatory FBI screens, driver interviews, random drug tests, dash cam stream, emergency panic button, 20+ safety features and app. Higher driver pay. Drivers make 10 to 15% more than the competition all the time. Better insurance options for drivers. Auto repair maintenance plans. Finally, a company that pays for your freaking car. Thank you. Give us a call anytime. We care about what you think. Help us make your ride awesome. Okay, let's try to give them a call right now then. They say give us a call anytime. Where's their phone number, guys? Are you guys bluffing? You talk, we'll listen. This app, we do our best. Okay, how do you call them though? Is there a phone number down here? Should I call them? Hello 7 app. Should I call this number? This doesn't even look like an American phone number. Yeah, guys, I mean, this might be a good opportunity to look into, Scoop M. If you're a new driver. Let's go to their driver sign up and see where, well, I'm gonna have to download the app and see where they're located at though. Yeah, I don't know. You guys can check into this yourself, but hey, it might be a good opportunity. I got an ad for them on Instagram, so apparently they have money to be running ads. I mean, that's a good sign for me. If they're running ads on Facebook, that means, you know, they have money to run ads and they're probably getting good drivers out of it. So anyways, that's it. That's the launch of Wave Rideshare. Check it out. Let me know if you drive for Wave Rideshare or if you plan on doing it or not. And until next time, stay safe out there. And make sure to subscribe for other future earning opportunities because I think this is pretty cool. Talk to you guys soon. Later, guys. Bye.